Our world is a beautiful scene for amazing projects. In order to improve living conditions and pave the way for better business, people create power plants, platforms, links, networks, trains, and cruise liners. All these huge investments in the tallest buildings, the largest wind farms, and in the most demanding of environments require safety, efficiency, and operational reliability. That is why they all have one small component in common: this. Roxtec is not, however, just a piece of rubber. Roxtec is peace of mind. This is a modular-based Roxtec sealing solution for cable and pipe penetrations, thanks to its three main components: the adaptable modules, the frame, and the compression unit. The system protects life and assets against risk caused by, for example, fire, gas, water, dust, pests, vibrations, and electromagnetic disturbances. It can even prevent the risk of explosion and provide solutions for bonding, grounding, and electrical safety. Multi-diameter is the Roxtec invention for flexibility and adaptability to cables and pipes of different sizes. You just peel off layers to ensure a perfect fit. You can seal multiple pre-terminated cables in one opening, use the seal around existing cables, or even reopen it to use the built-in spare capacity. The sealing solution is developed and tested by experts and certified by all major classification societies. This solution can be used on land, at sea, or underground, wherever cables are routed, wherever pipes are installed, and whatever size they are. Roxtec seals are appreciated worldwide by owners, contractors, and designers, as they simplify design and installation while reducing the need for materials and logistics. Roxtec cable and pipe seals hold down the risks, as well as the total cost of ownership. The concept includes design and software services, as well as installation training on-site. The Roxtec concept also includes a first-class ability to tailor solutions according to specific needs. The customized and complementary products make Roxtec the complete provider of sealing solutions. Roxtec is a global company with a strong local presence, ready to support you in local and international projects.